just shoved a taco into my mouth, or nacho into my mouth, and it burned me really, really bad.
This isn't good for my diet. I blame her.
It's your fault. We are back at Irvine Park, and it's darker, and I'm cold. We got out, there's a bunch of peacocks yelling help, so we are not stopping for anything. I'm really, really cold!
I know. Once the wind hits, it's freezing.
Freezing! I go back to the car to get me a jacket, because it's cold. People, this area is kind of creepy, isn't it? Don't know if I want to continue. Shall we come back in the morning to this place?
In the morning?
Yeah, because that looks really cool. Y'all hear that? Just kidding, do you guys hear that? Oh, they stop. They stopped once I turn it on. Here, let's go into them, and then we'll come back. Don't worry, we're on bikes. It's really weird. That is scary, huh?
Yeah.
Y'all stop once we get close.
Not in their ambush.
We just explored the park at night. Not the whole park, but just a little bit. I kept hearing a bunch of peacocks, but we couldn't find them no matter how much we followed the sound. Yep. Gentry just led us to nowhere. Do it again. We are at on Chapman?
Chapman? Yeah, in front of San Diego Canyon.
Yeah, in front of the San Diego Canyon College. Just about to go home. Tired. Still not gonna sleep.